How to change parental control on Netflix application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change a kid's account of Netflix to a normal one. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the official website of Netflix. Now if you have not logged in, you will see the option of who's watching. Simply click on manage profile and then click on the pane above your name. Then after, you will be directed to the settings where you need to choose the option of edit under the maturity settings category. Once you do, you will be directed to the viewing restriction page where you simply need to check out the feature of display the Netflix Kids experience. After that, click on the save option. Now in the next method, if you are already logged in with your account details in netflix.com, you simply need to click on your profile and from there choose the option of manage profile. From the profile, you will see the option of viewing restriction. Simply choose the option of change beside it. And again, you need to check out the option of display the Netflix Kids experience. Then after click on the save option. So that's it. That is how easily you can change parental control on Netflix application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.